coming at you with a little bit of a build series. Tonight we're working on this lovely, beautiful mini truck owned by my homie over here, Brian. Say hi, Brian.
Hi, Internet.
Hi, Internet, he says. So, basically what we're looking at here is, as you can see, his door cards are undeniably in need of a replacement. So, we're pulling the door cards off. The other one was in better shape. You can see it's kind of underneath our project mess right here. And essentially what we have done is we bought some of this fiberboard here, and we have cut out new door cards, as we can see that Chance Brown's working on right now. He's setting up the Dremel so that we can take the spots that we used from our original door card over there and drill out these holes so that it's ready to go. Then we're going to throw a little bit of material on. We're not going to show you that just yet until it's done. That's a surprise. But yeah. That was majestic, bro. We are now cutting card number 2. Alright.
Mini truck.
Mini truck gang.
Oh my god.
What's wrong this time, Brian?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Brian's exhaust manifold tried to delete itself.
It tried to delete itself.
Yes, it was a self-deleting exhaust manifold. It was only made for 2 years, 80 to 81, and luckily Toyota got rid of it for the 22 RE.
Has actually self-lubricating also.
Yes, self-lubricating.
Self-lubricating exterior. If you look real close there, oh yeah, you see all that good black gooey stuff down there? Well, that's not the morning after prom night. That's oil, ladies and gentlemen.
You heard it, ladies and gentlemen.
And
not the morning after prom night.
Yeah.
Definitely oil.
So, but yeah, so Brian's gonna fix it himself, which he should have done the first time when we took it off to put on his headers that didn't fit, that he ordered incorrectly.
What say
By
you,
no
Brian?
fault of his own.
What say you, Brian, about all of this? All of these accusations. Yes, exactly.
The exhaust said it was going to interfere with the torsion bars. I didn't realize it was going to be as soon as it was going to be.
He didn't trust the warning.
I didn't trust the warning. I thought it was going to interfere back where the stock exhaust was actually almost running into itself, so I thought maybe that was going to be where it was going to hit. It wasn't.
So now we're looking for a 240 cross member and suspension so that we can put exhaust that's worthy of this 50 horsepower 20R.
You heard it. All 50 horsepower, and we want a 240 cross member.
And suspension.
And suspension. If you have one for sale, hit up Brian Lyon. Or
at Insta.
At Insta, at Brian D. Lyon.
There you go.
What's up, Bobby?
What's up?
Tell me about your ride.
It's a 350Z.
Well, yeah. It is a 350Z.
I'm gonna try to rip the. I've been doing this slowly at work because I don't want it to tear.
Oh, it's peeling, so you're trying to get it off, huh?
No, it was like cracking before.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, are you gonna put a new one on afterwards, or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Need to get new headlights because that tent sucks.
Yeah, it's kind of coming apart right here, isn't
Cracks
it?
like everywhere.
Yeah.
So new headlights.
These are cool though.
Yeah. It's like $30 on eBay.
Got the Straight thuggin'. OMB. Toe
Hell yeah.
hook.
Just, you know, because it's a Nissan, it might need to be towed.
Loving the XXRs.
I like these wheels a lot.
Bam.
Boom.
Boom.
Alright, you gonna start this thing now?
No, it probably still sounds like dog shit.
How'd that go again, Bobby?
I don't remember.
No, tell me. I
No.
heard. I was there for it. Let's hear it.
like really foggy.
Do it again.
I
Do
can't-
it again.
I don't
Do
know
it
why.
again. How'd it
It's
go
just
again?
It's about to happen.
It's about to happen.
Yeah, watch.
Go pick a lap on the gift.
Oh my God.
Hey, stop the sound.
Do you feel proud?
No.
No.
I just know it's gonna get ruined again.
know it's gonna get ruined again.
how it
Hashtag
goes.
project life.
This is how it goes.
It's how it works, right? Are we going for a cruise?
It's never easy.
Should
What?
we go for a cruise?
I don't know. We could. I could make really loud bangs and pops real quick if you want.
Do it.
Oh, Chad's gonna get real mad.
Do it. Do it.
Alright, there you go. There you go. That's one pop.
Hey.